Now I'm going to prepare a Bocconotto, which is an Italian Christmas pastry typical of Puglia, Abruzzo, and Calabria. The ingredients are pastry dough, pastry cream with vanilla seeds, and homemade apple jam. Now I'm going to roll out the dough and take a cookie cutter I'll make a round shape and place it in a muffin tin. I didn't butter the tin because there's already butter in the pastry dough. Press it down like this. Now I'll take the pastry cream and add 3 teaspoonfuls. And then I'll take the apple jam and add some on top. Now I'm going to make another smaller circle. And I'm going to use it to cover the Bocconotto. Close it, and it's ready for the oven. Put it on a baking sheet and place it in a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the plate. Take the pastry cream, which has the vanilla seeds in it. Then we'll add some fruit. A slice of apple. A blueberry. Some other blueberries like this. And to finish, a winter cherry. Then we'll take the Bocconotto, remove the tin, and place it here. I'm going to add some apple ice cream, and then I'm going to add some caramel that I made. Now I'm going to add some caramel flavored with lemons from the Gargano Peninsula in Puglia. We'll finish with some powdered sugar. And the dish is ready. Buon appetito!